What's up, online shoppers? From the minute I opened the package with this sweater in it, it immediately became one of my favorites. There's so many nice things about this sweatshirt that brought it right to the front of my must-wear everyday list. First of all, it has a really nice middle weight to it. It's not heavy, it's not light. It's one of those sweatshirts that you can wear almost like it's a long sleeve tee, but it's a little bit extra, right? Now, I love the details of it as well. This zipper up here is really cool. I can also open it up and lay it a little bit more flat if I want to. I love the color of the zipper. I think the color of the zipper goes really well with the sweatshirt. The cuffs are really nice and thin. They're not a big long cuff, and I love the length of this sleeve. It's super comfortable. I'm not like pulling the sleeves up because it feels long. Now this one here is a large, so if you like a little bit more of an oversized fit, definitely size up one size, but the large actually is a really comfortable fit on me and I like it. And now let's talk colors. I have a hard time not buying one of every color that I love when I saw a sweatshirt like this. I did restrain myself. I did stick with just this really pretty orange color. I thought it was going to be great for fall, and it's a nice way to wear a fall color without screaming pumpkin. So again, the color for me was one of the reasons that I made the purchase too. Now this one washes really nicely, but I also love the fact that I get a kangaroo pocket, which is pretty cool. So if you're looking for a really nice sweatshirt that kind of pulls together the best of everything, great weight, great color selection, really nice neck, great collar, zipper, kangaroo pocket, and a really nice, comfy, soft material with a really nice cut, this one here is definitely a family favorite at my house.